Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and been boondocking on this, I believe it's 650 acre state land lot for a little bit, and had planned on going another 13 days because I've got 12 days. I've got an appointment coming up with the doctor, and then I can hit the road east. Well, I get the knock, the dreaded knock this morning at 9 a.m. from Buckeye Police. Obviously, and I'll show you around for those that haven't seen it, but obviously somebody was annoyed that I'm here and called. The thing is, apparently there are some signs that say no motorized vehicles. I believe Maddie Van Halen ran into this out here in Buckeye as well on state land. It says state land, permit required, no motorized vehicles. Not on all the signs, but on some. So I've got a permit, but apparently the no motorized vehicles is what these officers were really going to stick to, and said, well, I'd have due time to leave. Well, I went back to sleep, and now I'm loading up, and let me show you the area. Just in case you haven't seen it before. There's the nearest road over there. Some commercial buildings that are not yet occupied. And this is the old Luke Air Force Base auxiliary field. And basically it's a shrub desert with pavement. Where I'm at is pavement. There's pavement trails all around. Now, coming over here, this is an actual just dirt trail. And you can see there's another road over there. Literally, as I would drive by in the day in the bug, I'd look for my RV, and I could barely see it if I was on that road over there for a minute. I mean, so I highly doubt, and the thing is, they came in two separate vehicles, which usually means radio call. And here's the thing, way over here, I don't know if you can see it, those vehicles are parked out here, and they're flying radio controlled planes. They're here on this lot on motorized vehicles, and they fly radio controlled planes out here almost daily, far away from me. They don't bother me, I don't bother them, but I doubt they're getting calls to enforce the no motorized vehicles for them. Chances are somebody just saw me here for too long and said, how dare he be parking for free out there? Chase him away. So I've got to put the tow dolly back on the RV, get the bug up on the tow dolly, strap it in, chain it in. It's all fairly easy. It does involve me going on the ground. And so that'll take, I don't know, 15 minutes. And then I got to bring in the propane tank, put that in the bug. And then I did have two waters out and the other propane that I got to put in the bug. And I'm going to go shower at Planet Fitness in the area and look for a new spot over that way east. There is more state land, but I've got to check the signage, and all it takes is one person to walk by and go, what is that RV doing there? I like my desolate desert to be free of RVs. And they got a point, it is no motorized vehicles, but personally, if I was the cop, I'd just be like, yeah, you're fine, have a good day. So there's the sign I saw. State trust land, no trespassing, permit required. I've got that. But apparently a few of the other signs say no motorized vehicles. Unbelievable. Well, this one doesn't say anything about motorized vehicles. And you can see, that's the sign I just showed you. Unbelievable. What are you gonna do, fight the cops? So home sweet home, about a mile down the road. I wanted the other side of the freeway that was further away, but it had all kinds of no trespassing signs because there's a canal there and I couldn't access that area. So here's a little strip right off the freeway. Literally, it's state land from that freeway to this road here. And it ends at about the telephone pole, the big giant one, and goes all the way up to a road over there that I came from. It goes to the freeway. So it is not much at all to talk about. Ninja likes it just because it's somewhere to go outside. But I'm gonna leave the car hooked up for now. See, she loves it because it's dirt. Why not? Definitely loud freeway noise, but it's not like, I'm gonna be sitting outside by a campfire. This is to get me down the road. Now my concern is the house is here. See some strange RV out here for a week. They call the cops. Yes, I've checked all around this area. There's no signs at all, not even saying it's state land and permit required. So I've got the permit. I've verified on the state land website this is state land. Triple checked it. A quad came by here going like 2 miles an hour with an old guy on it. It was kind of funny. It looked like he was picking up trash. What you think, Ninja? Not exactly a lot of areas to hunt, but she's got her dirt. So I'm gonna set up the propane. As you can see, I've already got the slide out. Really, it's simple. I put my security lights out. I put the drape over the front. Before I do anything, after I'm sure I'm level, I put the slide out. Doesn't look level, but all the bubbles say it's pretty close. And now I'll attach the propane and let Ninja enjoy this. Just a little close to the freeway. Beautiful sunset. After a good night's rest and thinking about things, I realized the problem. That area that I was at state land was about 650 acres. One corner of it is sectioned off if you look at a state land map. In other words, they could sell that corner or do some development on that corner because it's zoned differently. That corner has the no motorized vehicle signs on it. Where I was at was fine. But when a police officer thinks they're right and asks you to leave, hey, I used to be a cop. It's not worth arguing about. So I said, sure. It's a little frustrating packing up my stuff, passing 3 vehicles out there near me that were doing their radio controlled airplanes, and then 3 motorcyclists that were out there ripping around the dirt and doing jumps and trails and whatnot. And I'm like sad sack going, oh, I gotta pack up and leave because I'm not allowed to be here. You know what? It's time for a change. That area was nice because literally it was quiet. No one was around. I shouldn't have bothered anybody. But apparently somebody probably saw me there for a little bit. And people freak out if they see an RV parked for some time. It's like, oh, it must be a creeper. No, the creepers are the ones you don't see. Anyway, I'm here at this spot. I'm gonna try and hold out. I did a night. It's great. I don't mind the freeway noise at all. Ninja's a little hesitant about going outside. It's funny, she's looking at the houses that are a quarter mile away, and you could see people walking around, and she's just staring at them like, ooh, I'm afraid to go outside. But yeah, she's a little hesitant to go outside. But she did go out around sunset, which was cool. So I'm going to stay here for a few days. I figure next time I want to go shower at Planet Fitness and get groceries at Walmart, which is in about 2 days, I'm probably just going to pack up everything and move and find a new spot then. So who knows? Life as a nomad. But thanks for joining me on this journey, and appreciate you being here. Please, if you enjoyed this, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. If you're not already subscribed, would love to have you subscribe. Ninja and I would greatly appreciate it to join our community. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.